Hi everyone and welcome to this tutorial. My name is Dre Freelance Marketer, and in today's video I'm going to compare two website builders that were released last year. So both website builders are still in their beta stage. So the first one is Boxmode, and which I think was released in July of 2020 or June, whichever. And the other one is OLITT website builder, which was released in October of 2020. So if you come to Boxmode's homepage, we're going to focus on the features, pricing, and templates, and the same goes for OLITT. So as OLITT loads, we can start with Boxmode. So Boxmode is a free website builder for businesses, creatives, and web developers. So it's a drag and drop builder and it's a free one. So if we check out their features, it's okay, there's flexibility and user experience. So they have templates which are ready made, customizable widgets, drag and drop editor, code editor, of course, project autosave. So they also have multi-page ready editor. I think that's amazing. Free domain mapping, SEO, that is search engine optimization, and featured widgets. So let's compare the features that are listed on OLITT's homepage. OLITT is a free drag and drop website builder that hands you the tools you need to succeed online. So I think that's in general, anyone can use it and build websites you're proud of. I think this is something we've seen. Okay, it's something we've seen somewhere else, but it's fine. So if we come to OLITT's features, they have domain names, SEO tools, Dns Management, and SSL certificates. I think for Boxmode, their features are quite in depth. It's just out there, we understand. For lit, they've only written 4, which is okay, which is fine, but we'd like to see something a bit more. They show us all the features they have on the website builder. I think that will be more enticing. So we can go to the templates, not templates, the pricing. So they have two plans, the free plan and the annual plan, which is $33 per year. For the free plan, they have domain mapping, where you can connect your own domain for free, 1 GB storage, ready to use templates, support via ticket system and SEO tools. And let's compare it to the free plan or the other plan in OLITT. So for OLITT, they also have two plans, which is free and lifetime, which is lifetime comes for $59 for life. For OLITT, we can see the unique features that stand out are 500 MB disk space and 1 GB bandwidth. So I think they also allow you to connect custom domains. Let's go back to Boxmode second plan. They offer 5 GB storage and SSL and unlimited bandwidth. For OLITT, they also offer 5 GB disk space and limited bandwidth. It sells certificates, and yeah, it's $59 per lifetime. So when it comes to the pricing, I'd say OLITT wins that, because although their free plan offers 500 MB, at least they compensate in the lifetime deal. Why I only pay $59 for life and they still get the 5 GB that I'm getting a Boxmode. So I think that's pretty cool. So at least they've shown us the users they have. We're yet to see the number of users here on Boxmode. But Boxmode, they also have another section where they have the frequently asked questions. I don't think I've seen that on OLITT. Nope, they don't have. For OLITT, I can also see they have affiliates. I don't think Boxmode they have any. They just have an FB community. So at least that's a point for OLITT. They have affiliates. The last thing we're going to check on the homepage is definitely the templates. For templates, let's also check on OLITT templates. So OLITT has 200 plus premium designs for any business use case. For Boxmode, I think it's still loading. These are some of their templates. I think we can do a preview of one of them just so that we can see how they look like. So let's check out this one for Masterfix. So as it's loading, we can check out also OLITT's templates. Let's check this one, although they haven't named it. So it's a very simple template, and one thing we should all note is that OLITT offers one-page sites. As you've seen, Boxmode allows multiple pages, so that's another point for Boxmode. So for and their preview, for Boxmode's preview, you can see at least they let you see how it looks on other devices. For OLITT, they just take you straight to the site. So yeah, this is pretty cool as well. So we can decide to start with this template just for the sake of this video. And for OLITT, we can also start with the template that we chose, so we can use that template. So let's close this. So let them load, and then we can see let us check out the online editors for both site builders. So loading application bundle, so let it finish to load, and then we'll be able to see which has the best online editor. It's taking a bit long. So we can start with OLITT. When OLITT loads, when you click on your template, the site is immediately live. It goes live, and this is the subdomain they give you. So for OLITT, you don't have the capability of changing this. In case I wanted to name it the freelance marketer olitt.net, it won't allow me. So the best option is usually to connect your own domain, which as we've seen is free. So this is how OLITT looks like. This is how the online editor looks like. As you can see, that is view components, that is a preview, that is full screen, redo and undo, you can delete it, that is the visit button, that is toggle newsletter, and autosave is enabled. So at least you know. Open style manager, that's what we have there. These are the settings. These are the open layer manager, and those are the blocks. So from the blocks, as you can see, let me not move that, we just go back. From the blocks, we have the columns, 2 columns. So these are all the blocks that OLITT offers: quotes, Twitch, subscriber form, login styles, button toolbar, articles, icon, image box. We have things like divider. We have things for the text. We have all that. Cards. This is card overlay panel, table, pagination, footer styles. They have 3 header styles. They have 2 navigations, media, project, features, theme, layout, components. We have the integrations all here, from social media to the SEO and everything, the payment integrations and all that. So let's go to Boxmode's editor. This is how it looks like. So let it finish loading, and we see what they offer. Or let's see which editor is most simpler to use. So OLITT, this is where you add the page or you delete. I think this is amazing. We haven't seen that in OLITT. Of course, that is where you can upgrade. That's nice. At least they give you, when you create, they tell you congrats. Same as OLITT. And this is how the template looks like. It's a very nice template. So of course the templates seem to be much better and more unique than OLITT. So this is the plus where you add you can add media, buttons, markups, stuff like that. And this is where the for widgets they have the navigation, slideshow, form, header, maps, footer, PayPal. Yeah, this is quite cool. Horizontal, vertical. That is a really cool. That's just cool. Let me say that. For the media, as you can see, they have photos. They offer images from Unsplash. I haven't seen that on OLITT, but we can go back and check. This is layers. Of course, we've seen this also in OLITT. I think, yeah, that is okay. Next, of course, the CSS panel where you can change everything. You can change the background, link settings, typography, and adjustments. So for the and finally, like if you, in case, of course, it's also auto saving as they said before. So let's check let's check the domain they give us. So they're saying create a domain name before publishing. So we'll name it the freelance marketer. Let me just do that because I think I'd created a previous website using Boxmode and I'd already used that name. So it's publishing. We can go back to OLITT. I think both sites are nice. This is how it looks like. That is the phone view. I think this is nice. They both look amazing. So we can decide to visit. At least for Boxmode, they allow you to use to name the domain. For OLITT, I think the trick is nobody wants the website to be called construction company. So the trick is, okay, we're going to give you the chance to connect your own domain. So let's check out, if you don't want to use that, let's check the domain prices for both website builders. So let's check out the domain names, the domain name prices, and finally let's check out also how to change the website name to give the website a description and the icon. Let's see if both website builders allow that. So let's manage domains. So you can decide connected domain. So that's the one they gave us. You can add domain if you already have an existing domain you bought from another provider. And here is where you can buy a domain. So the first domain, we're going to check the price for this domain extension on both platforms. So let's go back to OLITT. I think for OLITT, we all know you just come to domains and you search there. So if we come to Boxmode, let me move this here. Boxmode, their .com domain goes for $14 per year. For OLITT, you can see it goes for $8.39. So that's another point for OLITT. At least their domain prices seem to be a bit fair, and they're straight to the point. They say the renewal is this price and the transfer is that price. For top, it's 99 cents. That is registration. I can check for top here, the one in Boxmode. Let's see how much the top domain goes from. It goes for $14. As you can see, they offer that, but they don't show us the renewal price or the transfer price. So I think that's a bit they should at least let us know that. Also, once you're done with that, so since you're on this project, if you want to change the name of your website, you just come here to general info and we'll call it the freelance demo. Of course, here a brief description of your site with keywords, you can use that. You can change the favicon. They even give you a preview, which I think that is amazing. And as you can see, they're like SEO. Yeah, I think that's quite cool. So if we refresh, we're supposed to refresh this site, it's supposed to change. So as it's loading, we can go back to OLITT and check how with OLITT you just come and click in SEO. This is where you change everything. The freelance demo, and you save, and here you also write the freelance demo and you save it. So if we refresh this, oops, sorry, I may have confused something. So if I change this has changed. Okay, so this is a project description. Anyway, I think that is all for now, depending on that. I'll have to check on how to edit the site on Boxmode, how to edit the site's name, because I can see it's really not reflecting. So the next thing we're going to look at is also the dashboard for both sites. As you can see in OLITT, when you go to your dashboard, this is where you see all the websites you've created with them. Same to Boxmode, but as you can see, they've added something where there's like a help. As you can see, it's the Facebook community help center, where they're giving you the tools you need. For OLITT, in order to access their help center, or rather their tutorials and everything that they have, you have to go to their homepage. And I think that down here, as you can see, it's community, that is help center, video tutorials. So it's a bit tiresome, but at least with Boxmode everything is there for you. You don't need to struggle to search where everything else is. For OLITT also, if you go to the domain, this is where you can purchase your domains, you can pay for them and all that. I don't think Boxmode they have that yet. So this is all they have. So and then the next thing in the OLITT dashboard is DNS management. As you remember, they all offer a few DNS management. So I think with Boxmode, that works a bit different. When you create a site is when you'll be able to manage everything. And finally, the affiliate. In OLITT, I think when you create an account, every user gets an affiliate link. For Boxmode, they don't have that yet, so maybe that is something maybe that is something they'll work on later, whichever, I don't know. And finally, the billing and payment. As you can see, they have, they if I have invoices, they'll show me here. For OLITT, I think they probably come to your mail. But with all that being said, I think we've all noticed that they have the pros and their cons, and we all know that they're both in their beta stage. So if certain functions don't work, I'm pretty sure in the next time we come back and check on the site builders, they'll have new functionalities, things that were broken will be fixed, and it will be performing in a way better and faster state. So there's this GIF I created, so it's going to pop up, but this is what you're going to use. So for pricing, I'd give it to I'm supposed to give it to to OLITT, because OLITT, their pricing is way much fairer than the one for Boxmode, because they have a lifetime deal, and I think that is amazing. For domain prices, I'll definitely give it to OLITT. Their prices straight to the point, and they're fairly cheap. Ease of use, I'll give it to Boxmode. I think I'll change this and give it to Boxmode. I think when I was creating this chart, I came across some issues that I think are fixed now. But ease of use, I'll definitely give it to Boxmode. Although OLITT is not far behind, they just need to perfect certain functionalities and it will be better. For support, I'll give it a tie, because as you can see, as when you create an account with Boxmode, they reach out via email. Same to OLITT, and they have the platform, the tutorials. I think that's amazing. For integrations, I think they should add more integrations, so I'll just give them a 3 stars. No offense. Look and templates, this one will definitely go to Boxmode. They have unique templates, way better templates, and the number is higher than the one for OLITT. So I think I will update that chart, and I will check on that. Also, the last thing we should note is definitely the SSL. As you can see, they both offer SSLs. I think that is pretty important. So let me check. I want the one for Boxmode. I want to check the SSL for Boxmode in the Boxmode sites I created. I need to search for it. I didn't know. Okay, I have to log into the site itself to I can visit it. It's a bit annoying, but it's okay. So what I'm saying is, they both offer hosting and they both offer SSL. As we all know, SSL is quite important. Connection is secure. I think that's amazing. So yes, I think both sites, in case you want to start a business, or not to start a business, if you want to create an online presence for any kind of business, I think the best option for you is to go check on both sites, that is OLITT and Boxmode, and you'll decide which is the best site builder for you. Or even you can decide to use both site builders, because you see, they offer a lot of features that are free, that you don't have to pay, and your site will still be up and running, and you will still be successful and achieve whatever it is you want to achieve online, legally, that is. So but you can go out and check these site builders, and the good thing about beta product is that you're part of the small community, and any issues that you face, you'll arise, and you'll grow with the team, and with time when they perfect their product, you'll be part of that community. So I'd suggest you get to know these sites, because I'm pretty sure in the next few months these website builders will be on top, and will be functioning well. And I'd rather you buy, if it's OLITT, you get the lifetime deal now instead of maybe 10 months down the line when they won't have the lifetime deal anymore. And for Boxmode, definitely you can decide to, maybe the connecting of custom domains won't be available some other time. So I'd suggest maybe we do this, we try out this site, these website builders, and grow our presence online. And that's it for today. In the next video, in the next comparison video, I'm going to create two sites of the same service in OLITT and in Boxmode, and we're going to see which site builder is going to create the most unique site, or rather the most beautiful site, or it's going to be the easiest to create that kind of website. So thanks for watching, and until next time, be safe. Bye. Let me close this.